Ja, gorgeous, Imani Jari, whatever you want to call me, and I am back with another video. So first of all, we're just gonna catch this natural sunlight. Today I'm coming to you guys with a video that I'm very excited to do. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I haven't had the chance to. So today I'm going to be introducing you guys to my vehicular, and also I'm going to be showing you guys all the things that I'm going to be using, but I'm going to be cleaning the inside of my car. I'm very excited because it's not really like junky, but actually I'm going to be cleaning the entire inside, and I'm going to be cleaning parts of the outside, and I'm going to show you guys all the products that I'm using. I'm going to take you through everything, all the steps, and there's only like one part that I won't be doing. I used to wash my car when I had the blue truck. I don't have that truck anymore. If you know, you know. But if you want a story time, I would definitely give you a story time about that. I used to wash that truck, but then I was like, you know what? Nah, that's a workout. Also, because if it's gonna consistently be 90 and above, I don't want to be out here passing out. So I'm gonna take you guys through all the steps that I'm gonna do, and hopefully this video won't be excessively long. But I'm very excited. I've never done this before, so I'm trying something new. I'm really looking forward to this because the product I got, hopefully they leave my car smelling like yum. I am usually like known for having nice stuff on my keys, okay, but I had a green theme going on, but then I took that stuff off, so now I changed it to pink, which is surprising because I don't like pink, so I'm really shocked that I have this on my keys, but it was cute, so I said why not. This me and my friends have this. This is so cute. Me, Cindy, and Rihanna have this. It says dogs before dudes, period. Rod's got me this little pink Buddha thing like a minute ago, so this is also on my keys. I just have like, this is the little, I forgot what this thing is called, but to get inside my gym that I can't go to at the moment. And then I have these little stones right here, and this is my key to get inside my house, and then my car key. It's a Ford Focus SUV. Okay, so these are all the products that I'm using. Very simple, very straight and to the point. As you can see, it's really not that much, and to be honest, I got all of these products. Guess where I got these products from? Guess, y'all. Dollar Tree. There's a stain, not really a stain, but I am like very lazy, and where I park is very far from the garbage. So I drove the garbage to the garbage can, and something spilled in my back seat, and I was not having it. So that's really why I'm doing this right now. But I said I might as well detail clean the whole car because that's how extra I am. So first, you're going to need to cop these microfiber towels that you're going to be using all throughout. I like this particular one because it smells good. You could use this, but be careful with both because they're strong. This we're going to use on the black surfaces that's like plastic. This is a special concoction I made to get the blue stuff off my car. I'm using this on my seats in particular. This you're going to need, you'll see why in a minute. And you can use any of your favorite fragrances, but this is my particular favorite scent. Now that we have all that good jazz out of the way, it's getting hot, so what I think I'm going to do is let the rest of this video be a voiceover. But before I do that, I want to introduce you guys to my car. This is only my second car, but the first car I had, my license plate was B17KUH, and I thought that was the coolest license plate ever. Now I have a new license plate, and I think I like this one a little bit just as much as I like that one. Y'all not gonna see that, of course, but I'm gonna show you guys my car. I'm gonna show you guys all around it, and then we're gonna start cleaning, and we're gonna get to work, and I want to show you guys the full process, and then we'll see how everything turns out. Bye. So like I said, this is a 2010 Ford Focus SE. I really like this car because it's small. I didn't really care for it at first because it was white, but compared to other white cars, it's not that bad. Like I said before, I wrote on my car with a little paint marker, so that blue stuff is what that's for. But I really like these stains on my car. And the inside, I told y'all I cleaned a little bit before. Yeah, if you're looking closely, you can see that stain that I was talking about. It has to go, but we're getting ready to handle that. I just wanted to give y'all the rundown and show y'all what the inside was looking like, and we're about to get started. So first and foremost, I would definitely suggest banging out your rugs because it would help as far as, you know, vacuuming later. But if you have a lot of dirt and stuff like that, I would say get all the dirt out on the floor first and then take the rugs out. Next, you want to take your Awesome spray and just wipe down the lining of your car. In my case, it's the white part. So I'm going in, and to me, when I go to the car wash, they don't seem to really like get this side, but that's because my doors aren't open during the car wash experience. But I like to clean this part. You want to take that same Awesome spray, and now you want to clean your interior of your car. I would definitely say be mindful of the type of material that you have in your car. Clearly, like I said, mine is kind of plastic, so obviously this will work on mine, but I'm using this for all of the places in my car that look like this. I really don't remember what I put in this, but I know there's definitely some regular Awesome and some vinegar in here. This is the only thing that really took this paint marker off, but you definitely want to make sure that you scrub before you go through the car wash. Y'all, it was in this very moment where I realized I did not know what I signed myself up for. And that's 92-degree weather. Honestly, I'm going to be using this Awesome a lot because I'm really mostly using it to sanitize and disinfect because COVID is real and ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, you guys, so right now I'm letting the car air out after I sprayed that orange Awesome. Honestly, like I said, please be careful with that because if you spray it too close in like a close vicinity or something, it can make you cough horrendously. So please be careful. The next two steps that I'm going to be taking are using this Armor All multi-purpose auto cleaner and this upholstery and carpet cleaners. So basically I'm just going to use this to tack up like the little stain areas in the car, and then I'm just going to use this just to give it like a little, you know, like nice little spritz on the areas that are like that black plasticky. It's not really plastic, but you'll see when I do it. So these will be the last two things as far as like the interior of my car before I get ready to go to the car wash and vacuum and get my car washed. And that would be like the last thing, and then the ultimate last thing I would do would be the air freshening part, which is my favorite because it's my favorite scent. Here's where the water comes in, and you want to make sure this cloth is damp so that you could either blot out or wipe down all of that foam and that upholstery and, you know, material cleaner that we just used to make sure that you're getting it out of your seats. You don't want it to be too juicy, but you want it to be damp enough to make sure that it's out of your seats. Just because I'm extra, I'm going back in with this multi-purpose cleaner, and I'm going to be using that on those surfaces again that I said that I also sprayed the Awesome on. So this is totally optional. Okay, so thankfully I finished the interior of the car, and right now it's airing out because I sprayed like a lot of chemicals, as you guys saw. Also because I wanted to air out before we put the final touch, which is my Hawaiian Breeze air freshener. Clean one wheel at a time, wear eye protection and rubber gloves, wet cool wheel with a hose. Okay, so maybe we're not gonna use this. Maybe I'm done. I don't know how I feel. I'm gonna go upstairs and get a snack and kind of ponder on how I feel about that. The next thing I'm gonna do is go to the car wash. I'm gonna vacuum. I'm not sure if I will record that because I'm trying to figure out where I will be able to record me vacuuming, but where there's a will, there's a way. After I vacuum, I'll be on my way back home. Alright, you guys, so listen, I had to take like an hour break because I had to give the time for the interior to dry. Remember, I told you we had to spray it all down and then blot it away. And also, it was hot out here and I was not trying to die. So, right now, the inside should pretty much be wiped off. You guys, I'm getting ready to head to the car wash. I got my seat covers in the back. I'm going to probably try to record going through the car wash, if anything, because like I said, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to record